So guys, today I am in Chinatown, New York, and I am here for second time, and the reason is simply because this place is cheaper in terms of accommodation, food and everything in New York. So you can get a hotel room for $50, a small room for one person, and you can find food for as little as few dollars. And also you can find cheap shopping here in Chinatown, and I'm going to show you the small markets and shops and everything a few minutes later. So see you. So guys, it is a small park in Chinatown, New York, and as I said, Chinatown is a cheaper place in New York. You can find a hotel room for as little as $50, and Chinatown is the largest Chinatown in the whole world, in any country. I mean, in many countries you can find Chinatowns, and this one in New York is the largest one. You will find Chinese people here, Chinese population, shops, grocery shops for very cheaper pricing, and you will even find the signs in Chinese language all in this Chinatown. It is a small beautiful place in New York, and as I earlier said, it is cheaper in terms of everything. So don't miss Chinatown when you are in New York.